A lot of my friends are saying my eggplant are very nice, bears a lot of fruit and so many things that are good. So this is the reason why they are because they are well protected. I will show you. Right after I plant, this is what I do. Can you see that? They're just growing in there. So nice. With fertilizer, with mulch, water, and cover. So the wind and the sun will not hurt them. This is like this like 2 weeks before I take them out. I take them out sometimes in a day, but I will put it back, especially when the wind is very strong and it's very hot also at daytime in the afternoon. So that's the reason. Eggplants are just so sensitive to the weather, the wind, the sun, the rain, everything. But as long as the roots are already established and the leaves are already very good, so you can leave them alone. So thank you guys for watching.